My dear countrymen, before I pose my question, let me paint a picture of what we are up against. Zanu-PF is 53 years old. It has ruled for 36 years and has total control of the resources of the state. Its determination to hold on to power is unmatched. In 2008, over 70% of registered voters bravely cast their vote for the opposition. Yet Zanu-PF still prevailed against the will of the people. In 2013, they padded the voters' roll with millions of fictitious Zanu-PF supporters to win by a 2/3 majority. Because they are in control of that voters' roll, and in the absence of a complete overhaul of the electoral process, Zanu-PF is guaranteed to win in 2018, even if all the opposition groups come together to fight the election as one party. Without a complete overhaul of the electoral process, the opposition and citizens must unite and make it clear to Zanu-PF that there will be no elections. The road to the Zimbabwe we all deserve requires some serious dedication. And just to prove that the Zanu-PF government still has the resources to equip the security services to resist change and the people's will, the police commissioner, Augustine Chihuri, recently received brand new vehicles to improve the force's efficiency and effectiveness in dealing with what they call the architects of the wave of violence, which is currently threatening national security. All that at a time they are claiming not to have resources to allow people to register to vote. The danger of minimizing the enormity of the task is that we recruit fans instead of people dedicated to bring about change. Nothing delights Zanu-PF more than our efforts to go against their determination and entrenched interest with multitudes of people who mistake enthusiasm for commitment, personal opinion for strategy, and who believe the greatest contribution to the struggle for change is to tell others what to do and not to do, as one who is watching a game of football, rather than playing their part in directly engaging the adversary themselves. So my burning question for you this week is, are you committed or a mere fan of the cause? Is the extent of your involvement merely expressing excitement or disappointment at the performance of others? Or are you prepared to push on, not because the journey is exciting, but because the cause is right? My dear countrymen, we are not just facing Zanu-PF, but we are also up against ourselves and what we have become after 36 years of being violently denied a voice. It's great that we are finding our voice, but after we have cheered or jeered the performance of others, what are we ourselves doing to advance the cause? Bringing about real and significant change is never easy. The heroes of the insurrections of the 1890s, who faced the Maxim gun that was wielded by the British, did not fight because it was easy, but because the cause was just. We may want to deliver that one knockout punch, to organize that one protest march or that one shutdown that will change everything. But enduring change rarely comes that way. None of us can escape the responsibility to play our part. It will take you reaching out to a relative in the security services to tell them that it is legal to disobey an illegal order. It will take you attempting to register to vote, and when denied, documenting the information of the gatekeepers who deny you your right. It will take those of you who are in positions of influence refusing to be complicit in the violent repression of dissent, judges ruling according to the law, and traditional chiefs and village heads refusing to allow the spilling of innocent blood in your areas by supporters of Zanu-PF. The good news is that Zanu-PF is not going to prevail for long. Change is coming to Zimbabwe. As author Victor Hugo wrote, no army can stop an idea whose time has come. I do believe, though, that a new Zimbabwe will come quicker if we all respond to the call of the cause, not as fans or armchair critics, but with the dedication and commitment such struggles call for. This is Dr. Manyika from Build Zimbabwe saying, is there not a cause?